I was gonna buy a Coke with that.
I'll lend you the money.
But how am I gonna get drinks for the ladies? We were gonna look so cool together, Clay!
And then I say,
I gave that Melvin my pin last week and never got it back. And now this?
You gave it to him.
Oh yeah, what was that?
You're a pushover, dude. You're always offering to do stuff for people, thinking it makes you friends.
Well, where's the harm in that? It's called being a good person.
hey there. We want to go up to the back of the bus, but we have nowhere to put our jackets. Would you be able to hold them for us?
No problem. Ladies?
Okay, thanks.
See what I mean?
Don't be jealous just because I got 2 bitches.
Sure I wasn't robbed back there.
Oh yeah, no pockets.
There's your bitches.
They're probably just keeping them warm for me because they couldn't find their jackets.
They seem to be in better hands. Also, I don't think I've ever even remotely seen you take interest in a girl before.
We're clubbing, Clay. This is what you do. These jackets are our ticket into a fun night.
Yeah, or another thought, leave them on the bus.
What kind of person would I be to not at least return them? I'm telling you, Clay, if there's one thing a lady loves, it's a gentleman. Look, I hold one, you hold the other. How does that sound?
Hell no. I'm already forced to stand in the cold only to enter a hot, sweaty room for the rest of my night. My hands aren't leaving my damn pockets till I get home.
Come on, it's about the experience. How else are you gonna meet new people and live a little?
Yeah, if they're as cool as those fine scholars on the bus ride we just sat through, then, yeah, it's gonna suck.